Hi guys, this is TELESIN adjustable head strap and chest strap mount harness built for GoPro action cameras. Now I am showing TELESIN adjustable head strap first. This tool is very cheap, only $11.49. You can purchase it from aliexpress.com. This is head strap. You can add your GoPro camera here. Okay, that's it. You can increase the size. Okay, no problem. This is covered, so it will easily set with your head, just like that. Okay. This is TELESIN chest strap mount harness. I am opening it. Wow. At first you need to set it very easy. Okay, it's tight. Okay, now set your GoPro camera. Okay, now add your GoPro camera. Okay, now I am wearing this chest strap mount harness belt. It's very easy. Please follow. That's it. If you want to remove this buckle, very easy, just get pressure here. That's it. Okay guys, if you enjoyed my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks.